Now, if you bite my knees, I will send you to Sweden. Yes, you are going to Sweden, to the glove factory. Yes, they are making gloves out of you, baby. Nava is so sweet, but it's pain in my ass. Nava, what are you doing? If you don't follow me on my main Tumblr, Nava. Okay, now she's sitting down and looking out of the window. I will open the window for you. Oh, there is a dog outside. Yes, I know, a fucking bitch. They're not a clumsy king. Nava, I can see that you are trying to eat my niece. You have gotten food. Nava loves to. I know it's like a popular cat thing, but Nava loves to act like she has never gotten any food. Um, she's been doing this thing. She's always no. I will send you to Sweden. I will do it. Yes. She has always been like I said. She eats rags. She eats paper. She eats rocks. Once she tried to eat a knife. So she's like really after food or anything ever. But lately she's been waking me up in the middle of the night and being like, I think it's food time, and it is very much not. I've been like I did make the mistake. I do give her food like no like very early morning just so I can keep sleeping, but she keeps